y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Shania if you guys are new. It is Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. So I got the mild taco shells. What I want to make is I want to make a cheesy Gordita crunch. A cheesy Gordita crunch, okay? That's what I want to make. So I got triple cheddar. This is Vermont cheese. I love Vermont. Sharp cheese, mild cheddar cheese, taco mix, shredded lettuce, and then and I got some salsa. I don't know, but yeah, we about to get it started. I got my ground turkey already thawed out and ready. I'm gonna get some of the salsa and add that on top. Lord, I didn't even get to take a picture of this shit. Let me take a picture real quick. These things are huge. You would never get something so big. You would never get something this big at Taco Bell. All right, so we're gonna do a little quick taste test. Let me, another thumbnail. Whoa! Y'all, this thing just don't want to stay up for me. Y'all, look how big this thing is. Now, leave me a comment down below. Would you ever get a big old cheese Gordita crunch like this at Taco Bell? Nope. All right. Oh my God. OMG. Yo. I gotta go. I appreciate y'all for sticking to the end, but let me put that down so I can do an outro. That is so good. Spicy. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all for sticking to the end with me. Yeah, I need to make this superior. Yeah, I need to make this. And adding the salsa to the actual taco meat, life hack. Life hack. All right, y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed.